Hello students, welcome to IITJ Advanced Lecture Series. In this lecture series, I have been taking revision of entire J Advanced syllabus through problems. I have completed complex numbers, conic sections and calculus. Now I am taking revision of algebra and I have covered 16 questions in previous videos. Now I am taking question number 17. Let's begin. Question is, for a positive integer n, let Pn be the remainder when n is divided by 3 and Qn be the remainder when n square is divided by 3. Find the positive integer m such that n equal to 1 to m Pn plus 2 plus Qn plus 1 plus 2 times Pn equal to 2016. Pause this video and try this question. Let's begin. It is given that Pn is, let us take Pn, and Pn leaves remainder when divided by 3. So this can be basically 1, this can be 2, it is 0, then we get 1, 2, 0 and so on. And we are getting these forms with respect to thrice k plus 1, thrice k plus 2 and thrice k. If 3k plus 1 is divided by n, so we are getting 1 remainder and remainder 2 and remainder 0. Now, then we have Pn plus 2. Pn plus 2. So Pn plus 2 is divided by, if Pn leaves remainder 1 when divided by 3. So Pn plus 2. So Pn plus 2 divided by 3. What will happen here? If you take 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1 divided by 2k plus 1 plus 2 divided by 3. So this becomes 0. So Pn plus 2 will give you 0 remainder if we take 3k plus 1. If you take 3k plus 2, if you take 3k plus 2 plus 2 divided by 3, so we are getting 1 remainder. So it is 0, 1, and if you take 3k, so this will give you remainder 2. So we are getting 0, 1, 2, then we get 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Then what about q of n plus 1 and q of n? What is qn here? Qn will give you the remainders when n square is divided by 3. So what about Qn plus 1? Qn plus 1 means when n plus 1 whole square divided by 3. Now, we are getting Pn we are getting with respect to 3k plus 1. So now we put 3k plus 1 whole square divided by 3, and it is 9k square plus 12k plus 4 whole divided by 3, and this is giving remainder 1. Then we have to put 3k plus 2. So it is 3k plus 2 plus 1 whole square. So we are getting remainder 0. Then we put 3k and 3k plus 1 whole square divided by 3, and we are getting 1 remainder. Then we get 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 and so on. Now we have to find out 2 times Pn. What is 2 times Pn? So we have to multiply this term with 2. So it is 2 times 2 into 4 into 0, then 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 0 and so on. Okay. Then we have to find out sigma n equal to 1 to m p of n plus 2 plus q of n plus 1 plus 2 times Pn, and this is given 2016. So here we are observing that if you see this trio, so this trio repeats again, then next trio repeats again. So what is the sum of values of this trio? So this will find out 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 0, and this value is given 11. So value of one trio is given 11, and we have to go to 2016. So one trio is 11. So what about how many values are needed to make it 2016? So we have to divide by 2016. So it is 183, and we get 183, and now we are getting 3 as a remainder. So that means we need basically 183 terms, right? So we need basically 183 trios, मतलब one trio, two trio, 3 sets, 4 sets. So such sets we need 183. So we get 183 into 3 and plus 3 more terms. 3 more terms because we are getting remainder 3. So these 3 more terms will give you one term, one value. Why? Because we will get one term from here, we'll get one term from here, and one term from here. So we are getting one with respect to one value of m, we are getting 3 more terms. So now we have to get, this will give you basically one value. So what is the net value? Net value is 249 plus 1, this is 240, 250. Wait, 183, it is 540. 549 plus 1. So now we get 549 plus 1, and this quantity will be 550. So the final answer of this question is 550. I am repeating once. See, we have 3 more terms in last, right? If you put n equal to 1, so we are getting 3 more terms. If you put n equal to 2, so again we are getting 3 more terms. If you put n equal to 3, we are getting 3 more terms. So 3 more terms, we are getting one value of n, right? So we have to get 549 plus 1, and it is 550, and 550 is the final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.